Well, hey there trainers, welcome back. You are with PewterCityJim, and today we're going to go ahead and carry on with our Artlocke of Pokémon Sun version. So in the last episode we got the stamp from... Oh, wait, why can't I... Am I too close in? Yeah, okay, I guess that must be it. We got the stamp from Hapu. We're done with the island challenge for this area. Of course, it's a cave. There's random encounters. And actually... we do have an encounter here. So let's go ahead and catch this puppy. Level 43, so false swipe. Probably not going to be earth power. That's going to hit, but it's not going to hurt a lot. Okay. Oh, and that was a crit. My gosh. Level 43. Ooh, not very effective. Let's try Sucker Punch, see what that does. Whoa! Critical hit. Okay. Well, we can definitely swap. We'll go for Arinsu, because she needs the experience a little bit more. And then we'll throw a Ultra Ball. Actually, if we have a Dusk Ball, I could probably use that. Oh, don't call for help. Nope. Help did not appear. Alright. Let's see, do we have a Dark Ball? Or Dusk... Yeah, we do. We got Dusk Ball right here. We got 11 of them. Okay. Perfect. We caught it. So that's our encounter in the cave. Level 44 for Arinsu. Tailwind. I thought I'd already tried to learn that. Keep the old moves. I really gotta, and I keep meaning to do this, I gotta look up where the move relearner is so that we can get our awesome moveset back. Oh, Fasha grew to level 37. It's got to be level 40 that Slowpoke evolves. That's a... Oh! Never mind. Level 37, which is... That's weird. Okay. So much like Granbull, I kind of feel like Slowbro is one of those designs you really couldn't get away with today. A little bit differently than Granbull though, this one doesn't really have a super recognizable animal that it's based after. It sort of has elements of hippos, otters, and of course you've got that Shelder quote-unquote on the tail that doesn't look anything like the actual Shelder from the Pokedex. In terms of the colors, I again try to use colors from Fasha, a little screenshot of her, being that that's the namesake, and I did just kind of a basic beach background. Okay, Slowbro, let's go. Gotta love it. Slowbro's data will be added to the Pokedex. Such a cute family line. Why don't you check out what new Pokemon it is you caught? It spaces out while gazing at the sea. With its Shelder's poison flowing through its body, it becomes even spacier. Okay. Alright, first evolution we've had in a little while. Withdraw. Keep old moves. Yeah, I think we're okay without. Dugtrio's data will be added to the Pokedex as well. I know exactly the name that I'm going to give it. Its shining gold hair provides it with protection. It's reputed that keeping any of its fallen hairs will bring bad luck. Oh, okay. Let's give Dugtrio a nickname. Its name is, I believe it's a male. Yeah, it's going to be Oliboo. Who literally, he was a filler character for the anime. Was just made canon recently. In the manga. Send to a box. Alright, well that's that done. Let's see, what is this little hole over here? Aha! I can crawl through. What do we got? We got an elixir? That's useful. Oh. Well, whatever it is, we're not catching it. Go, bat! Let's go ahead and hit it. We'll do, I'll just do Spirit Shackle. That should knock it out. Don't think we got a Z move that. Oh, actually it did not. The wild Golbat can no longer escape, but it does have Poison Fang, so... Neutral damage, because Grass and Ghost. I didn't realize that Spirit Shackle prevented escape. There we go. Alright. Zygarde level 45. Beautiful. But we are going to move Cell off of the head, or Tien off the head of the party, because Tien definitely doesn't need to be up front to get all that extra XP. Let's go ahead. Fasha needs the XP, but Arinsu's probably going to do a better job right now. So we'll wait for the others to catch up a bit. But Arinsu's probably about par with most of the stuff that we're going to find in this cave. Oh, and we got to beat this trainer here. Do trial goers come all the way out here? What's the deal with the kids in Alola? I'm a kid in Alola. Just ask me. Alright. Backpacker Purdy? Let's see. What do you got? Whimsicott? Actually, Arinsu probably was not the best choice. We don't have... I think the only flying type move we have on it right now is Roost. That is correct. Scald and Roost. Okay. So, we will switch for... Man, I really don't have a lot that's going to be great against... Headbutt, focus, Sludge Bomb. Okay. It's level 44, so it is going to be a slightly higher level than Dodoria. But it's a grass and fairy type, so honestly the Gust, that's not going to hurt too much. The 4 times damage should knock this thing out real fast. Mega Drain, ooh, that's going to hurt. Actually, again, not that much. Bloop. And, really, did not knock it out. I'm actually kind of surprised. Cotton Spore, that should be okay. We were slower to begin with. Boom, done. I think that actually might be Dodoria's debut battle, so way to go. Level 43. That's perfect. Oh yeah, let's go. We're gonna go over Lick. 100% we're gonna go over Lick. That's exactly what we needed. Alola is great. You and your Pokemon are great. Thank you so much. That's very kind of you to say. Alright, so... Let's see... I mean, this is going to be a good place to train up against all these random encounters because they're relatively high level. Scald. All stat changes are limited, that's fine. Shame we didn't get the burn. Leech Life, not very effective. Come on, I need a crit. I need a crit. Knock it out. There we go. And I'm just gonna roost. Oh, mean look. Okay. That's fine. We weren't running to begin with. And roosts. That's gonna heal us up just a tiny little bit. And then the burn should knock the Golbat out with no issues whatsoever. Yes, let's go. Okie dokie. That worked out perfectly. Oh, let's see. Item. Oh, max potion. That's awesome. Okay, I'll take that. Oh, double battle? Not spotting any Zygarde cells so far. The most dangerous spot in Alola. Allow me to test whether you can get past the vast Pony Canyon. Show me how serious you and your Pokemon are. I will. They're such a cute couple. Kent and Amy. Sandslash and Ninetales. Okay. Howdinsu and Cell. Well, actually, that works kind of perfectly. They're both level 46. Ooh, actually... Well... So, Cell... If I did Land's Wrath, that would be great. However... I'm just worried about the 4 times weakness to ice up against 2 ice type Pokemon, so let's not do that. Okay, shield's down. Hail, okay. It's probably got an evasion raising ability in the hail would be my guess, or ice body, one of the two. Oh, guys. That was a terrible lack of synergy right there. Okay. Both being buffeted by the hail. Now let's go ahead and we'll do our Z move. And we'll do it on Ninetales. Ice Beam. Ooh. Neutral damage. No, 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 no. Ooh, critical hit. And frozen. Okay. Ah, man. Alright. Well, at least it didn't faint. This could have been much worse. Continental Crush. If that doesn't knock out the Ninetales, I'll be very surprised. Then actually, it may be worth taking Pilaf out as well, just because of the Steel-type moves on the Sandslash. Alright. Okay, level 45. Okay. Oh, okay. It's just going for slash. No, 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 no. Oh, gosh dang it. Alright. Cool. Well. It's a steel type. Gosh. I think it's just gonna have to be Spirit Shackle. Ah, man. That is aggravating. And from you, it's going to be Power Gem, because that's going to be neutral damage on the Sandslash. Okay. Tien's faster. Ugh, that did not do as much as I would like. Honestly, I was kind of hoping that it would get us most of the way there. Icicle Spear. Oh no, this was a terrible choice. Oh god, what did I do? Come on, don't hit anymore. Don't hit anymore. Last hit, last hit, last hit, last hit. No, no, no. Oh, boy. Chan is buffeted by the hail. No, 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 no. Stop, stop, stop. Okay. Oh, man. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. No. Dodoria. Switch. Pilaf can do... Oops. Pilaf can do another power gem. So long as it doesn't have pursuit. Oh, boy. Okay. Gee whiz. Yeah, drop its attack for sure. Sandslash avoided the... Yep. Alright. Oh, man. Stupid Sandslash. Leave me alone. It's gotta be Focus Blast. And let's try for Power Gem again. I mean, hopefully the hail doesn't help it avoid forever. Come on, knock it out, knock it out, knock it out. Yes, okay. Whew. My gosh, okay. So we lost the Rinsu. That's just so annoying. Tian grew to level 50. Great. Thank you. Fasha grew to level 38. Oh man, excellent. You guys should be able to reach the altar. Wonderful. You and your Pokemon should absolutely head to the altar. That's exactly where we're going. Oh man. I am so aggravated right now. Super Potion. On you. I'll just do 2 of those. And on you. And then, oop. We'll do a Hyper Potion on poor Tien. There's that stupid Max Revive sitting there. Can't even use it. Okay. And then arrange the team a little bit differently. Actually, Cell's going to be up front, and I think that's fine with his ground type attacks. Is there any reason for that? Oh, okay. Another encounter. Oh, a Boldore. Alright, Cell. It's probably going to have Sturdy. But I don't know if Lance Wrath will even take it out anyway. Nope. Oh, it's got the weak armor ability. Defense fell. Speed rose sharply. Smackdown, that's not going to do a lot. Okay, it's calling for help. What are you going to bring? Anything? Nothing? Oh, we got 2 Boldores. Okay, so I will say that with the calling for help thing, it doesn't work as often as I remember it working. Which, you know, I'm fine with. Okay. While Boldore fainted. Dodoria hit level 44. Rock Slide, that might hurt a little bit more. Yeah, not too bad actually. Okay, not very effective. And then let's just go ahead and knock it out real fast. Okay. How far away is the... Oh. Okay, there's another one of those statues, so we're probably getting closer. Oh yeah, and there's another one. Okay, there's grass there. We don't necessarily need to do that right now. Oh, I gotta get off the ride Pokemon, it looks like. Okay, yeah, we're heading up to the top. Oh, there's a cell. Oh, man. Just about got it before this. Okay. Another Doug Trio. Okay. Gonna have to use an elixir or an ether or something soon. Perfect. Level 46 for Cell. Okay, there's that Zygarde Cell, speaking of. Okay, and then I guess we have to use Mudsdale. Mudsdale Gallop, baby, let's go. Not even gonna worry about fighting that guy. Oh, is this... Okay, oh, is Lily coming? How did you even get through there, Lily? Phew, this canyon truly is a difficult path to walk. And you made it past the vast Pony Canyon. Seems like nothing at all, Jim. Oh, thank you. I try. But you know what? I've overcome my fears enough to cross even a high bridge like this one. I'm not going to be afraid of heights anymore. Next time I should even be able to tackle that bridge on Mahalo Trail. Watch this. This is my trial. Okay. Lily's Z-powered form is going over the bridge. Run, Lily, run! Oh no. Not Spearow this time, but Murkrow. Throw a Pokeball, Lily. Catch it. Throw a quick ball. She looks like she's about ready to punch a bird. Oh. Jim, I did it. I made it all the way across. I've cleared my trial. The Murkrows are just like, fine, we'll leave. I completed my first trial. Amazing, right, Jim? Yeah. Hee. That smile we must protect at all costs. Zygarde, do you want to rest too? I do. Oh man, thank you. Oh no, but that means that Arinsu's going to be healed up. I just got to move it to the back of the party. Don't worry, I got you covered. I have hyper potions and revives and even lots of ethers too. Though I'm not sure I bought enough max repels for a path like this one. Alright, let's go ahead and switch. Oh. Wrong button. Okay. To the back of the pack. Let's see, and we can leave Dodoria up at the front. Alright guys, well that's going to be the end of the episode for today. I want to thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. I'm very much looking forward to catching you in the next one. But till then, take care. Bye.